Sometimes you just won't have a sharp edge on your stone to be making a flint and steel fire. This is a piece of quartz I picked up out of a driveway. Quartz is usually mixed in with a lot of gravel, so gravel parking lots, driveways, it's pretty easy to find, but no sharp edge. So how do you fix that? Well, take a piece of leather, put it across your leg like this, take your flint, wear some safety glasses, and we're just going to bop the side here. And we're chipping off. You just want to catch the edge. It takes a little practice. There we go. Now we should have a good sharp edge right there. Oops. Let's try that again. Look at that. Now we've got spark. So, the other thing about quartz is just that little bit of hitting. I've already kind of wore that edge down a little bit. So we would go back and we would bop some more off here. Just like that. And that gives us a nice sharp edge. And we just come in. Just like that. You can do that with chert, flint, anything. You don't need any special tools, but I do recommend a piece of leather to go over your leg, because those chips coming off are rather sharp and you don't want to cut into your jeans or your leg, and safety glasses. And that's how you sharpen up your rock for flint and steel fire. Thank you for watching.